This gorgeous Caitlin Homes, Coleridge B model home is filled with loads of upgrades. At 2079 square feet, it is decorated beautifully and has pot lights throughout, hardwood flooring on the main floor, and a curved oak staircase. There are granite countertops in the kitchen with undermount sinks, and a ceramic backsplash. The magnificent formal dining room flaunts a coffered ceiling, hardwood floors and wainscoting. The open concept floor plan is open to above. Extras include pot lights, central air, hardwood floors, granite countertops, second floor laundry, 9-foot ceilings on the main floor, and garage door access, with a rough-in bathroom in the basement. For more information, please contact us at 905-697-0792 or at the website listed. Mention this YouTube video.